welcome back to
Life of SR. I got so shy.
You have one job. Hey guys, welcome back to
The Life of SR.
If you're new to our channel, my name is Ruby.
My name is Daisy.
And I'm Jaylene.
And Selfo's not here. But we would love for you to consider subscribing to our channel and join our crazy fun family adventures. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing, as you can see by the title, we're making some candies enchilados. If you don't know what enchilados mean, we're gonna make some American candy Mexican by adding some spiciness to it, basically.
Yes.
So these are the ingredients we have. We have some lemon juice here. And then we have some tahini sauce that we've never tried. I couldn't find chamoy, so this will do. You usually use chamoy to do this. And then we have some tahini with this chili powder that you can use on fruit or anything you want. And then we have these two that are called Lucas mango flavor, basically. It's also like chili powder, right? Except this one isn't as spicy, and it's really good by itself too. And then for the candies, we have some Lifesavers, sour Skittles, some gummy worms, some gummy bears, and some, what are these? Watermelon gummies. Yeah. And some Skittles, some regular Skittles. These are sour, and these are just the regular Skittles. This one, canard rope. Okay. And Daisy wanted to try some peanuts because she really doesn't like Mexican candy like that. I don't know why. She's Mexican, but
yeah,
I do like it, but not that much. By
the way, the gummy bears, we were gonna get the actual brand. This was cheaper and it has way more. Alright, so let's get right into it. So here we're just gonna use this large bowl to mix all the ingredients in. And then we're gonna put each kind of candy in its individual container like this that we got from Dollar Tree. And you can basically add as much of each ingredient as you like. And then mix really well. And then you just repeat the same steps with each of the candies.
That you could handle a situation. I thought I waited in the wrong line.
have them in the containers. We're just gonna put them inside the fridge for 1 hour and then try them to see how they taste. Alright guys, so we're back. It's been about an hour that we put these in the fridge. So this is what they look like now. We're gonna open and show you. So the Skittles, it looks like they all turned white just because of the lemon, I guess, or you know, all the acidic in it basically took the color off.
It's another rope.
But worms. These are the peanuts. Ooh, that looks really good.
Lifesavers.
So I'm pretty sure if you leave them in little random gummy bear. If you leave them in the fridge a little bit longer, they'll probably be better.
Yeah.
Cause see, like it does get kind of like thick to where it actually sticks to the gummies. That way you don't have to, you know. I don't know what I'm saying.
Can we put them on the tray?
Okay, so now we're gonna put them on the tray. Oh, nicely done.
Look at this.
Then can you bring a spoon? I feel like we need a spoon just to get the little. Look.
You should just do bunches because it'll be easier.
Okay.
It looks so cute.
Julian, don't touch all of them. Use a spoon. Use a different spoon.
I don't know. What's it?
We're gonna put this out.
No, we're not.
That's disgusting. Well. Okay. Cute. That had
my
way too
goodness.
much. Ew, they're so ugly. It looks like eyeballs.
They're white. Okay, so just know it's gonna be a bit messy, but worth it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some tahini all over this.
How do we eat it with our hands?
So this is how they look, and you eat it like this. I don't wanna do too
This
much
should
like
be the
that 'cause I
thumbnail.
feel like.
Yeah, that should be the thing.
So now let's try them and see what they taste like. I wanna try a worm.
Wait, I want a spoon.
We don't use spoons. We're Mexicans.
You say that because you don't have long nails anymore.
Go get a tortilla and grab some.
I want to try watermelon.
It's sour.
Try the watermelon, then you have to.
I have to.
So good. It's gonna be so good.
The question is, who's gonna finish all of these?
Me.
That is good.
Really good, right? A Skittle. They're really good too. I don't think everything's gonna be really good.
What did you try?
A watermelon and a Skittle.
I'm gonna try everything you try. The Skittles are so hard.
Yeah.
They're so hard to chew.
That's what she said.
Which one?
Those gummies.
I'm trying
Yummy in there.
They're good, but I do think they're gonna taste better tomorrow. Just so all the liquidy stuff can harden a little bit.
Do a little lady in the trim until we kiss.
It's gonna be so sour. Thumbnail.
I got
Your hair.
I'm choking. I'm choking. That's very good. Look. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea.
Have
Alright.
water.
So we're gonna go ahead and close out the video because I don't think y'all just want to watch us eat throughout the rest of the video. So
Y'all need to try this though. And get the watermelon ones. Watermelon ones are so good.
So you can basically get any kind of candy you want and add that to it if you like spicy candies. They're not really spicy. Well, to me, they're not really spicy because tahini is not really spicy, and the liquid tahini that we bought is also not spicy. It's very sour though. So if you don't like that, then don't get it.
Stop being disgusting. Other people want to eat this.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what your favorite candy is, or if you have like a different ingredient that you add to it, or how do you do yours.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm pretty sure a lot of people have tried these
It would taste good with apples.
kind of candies.
Yeah.
And you can do it with fruit too.
Like the mango nella.
Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next one.
Bye.
Bye. Peace. We're still gonna get diarrhea.
Ma! Get it? Bang!
Cause you got nervous?
I'm just right here.
Why did you record that?
Just line up so it won't be crooked.
Mira, Rumi, tápalos.
I have my hand like this.